News reporting. Consumers in Georgia, North and South Carolina are being urgently warned about a potentially deadly recall of tomatoes. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has escalated a previous alert to a Class I recall, its most severe warning, indicating a significant risk of serious health complications or even death. The recall, initially announced on May 2nd due to potential Salmonella contamination, now carries the highest level of concern. Farms Repack LLC, based in Lodge, South Carolina, has identified the affected produce as being packaged and distributed to wholesalers and distributors between April 23rd and 28th under the H&C Farms Label. The FDA, in a notice issued online on May 28th, emphasized the gravity of the situation by categorizing this as a Class I recall. This designation is reserved for situations where there is a reasonable probability that the use or exposure to a violative product will cause serious adverse health consequences or death. Authorities are highlighting the resilience of Salmonella bacteria, noting that while freezing and drying may hinder its growth, these methods do not eliminate the pathogen. Salmonella can persist for extended periods in both dry and wet environments, posing a continued risk to consumers. While the FDA has stated that no deaths or illnesses have been reported as of the recall date, the potential for severe health impacts remains a critical concern. What is Salmonella? Salmonella is a dangerous organism that can lead to serious and even fatal infections, particularly in vulnerable populations such as young children, the elderly, and individuals with compromised immune systems. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that most individuals infected with Salmonella will begin to experience symptoms within 12 to 72 hours after consuming contaminated food. Common symptoms include diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps. While most people recover without medical intervention, in some cases the infection can necessitate hospitalization. Pregnant women are also at an elevated risk of developing a Salmonella infection and are strongly advised to seek medical attention if they exhibit any symptoms. What should affected consumers do? The FDA is issuing a strong recommendation to anyone who has purchased tomatoes potentially bearing the H&C Farms label within the specified dates in Georgia, North, or South Carolina. Do not eat them. Consumers are urged to either return the recalled tomatoes to the place of purchase for a full refund or to discard them immediately. Individuals who have consumed these tomatoes and are experiencing symptoms are advised to contact their healthcare provider to report their symptoms and receive appropriate medical care. This is a developing story, and authorities are urging consumers in the affected states to remain vigilant and heed the FDA's warning to prevent potential illness. Further updates will be provided as they become available.